Hello, my name is Geraldine Thomas and I'm a professional makeup artist that will be recreating Rachel Jones, who is our makeup director for Fashion Art Toronto. Today's makeup video will be for the designer Mimiela. Let's begin. One of the most important steps to any makeup look is prepping your skin, which is number one, you want to cleanse your skin, making sure that you remove any dirt and oil. Number two is adding a toner. Now this is optional, but can be very beneficial as it could soothe and also hydrate your skin and calm it. Number three is adding a serum. Of course, depending of your concerns, it could also help with dehydration. It could help with brightening your skin and as well the benefits of anti-aging. Number four is an eye cream, eye gel, or an eye balm. Now the good thing about it is that it can depuff, brighten, and also hydrate the skin. And also when you apply a concealer, it does help with less creasing. And then number five, the most and the last step is your moisturizer. So this is your last step and now you're ready for your makeup. So first thing I'm going to be doing now for the makeup is I'm going to be adding this Fix Plus. It's the Magic Radiance. This is from MAC. It has vitamin C and is very hydrating and brightening. Then I'm going to be adding a little bit of foundation from Bobbi Brown. This is a serum and has an SPF of 40 as well. And I'm going to mix it up with this NARS. It's a tinted glow, which gives a really nice hue of like a bronzy look, but basically it's just to put it more like on my cheeks and on my temples. Of course, I'm going to be adding some concealer and I'm going to be setting it with powder. My foundation has been done and I've set it. Now I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm actually going to be using two products. This one is from Danessa Myricks. These are her Color Fix cream shadows. Actually, it's versatile. You could use it anywhere. You can use it on your lips, you can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your cheek. Amazing. So I'm going to be using a chocolate color all over my lid, but mostly around my crease. I'm going to stop it around my crease. And then I'm just going to blend it to make it softer around the edges of the crease and upwards. So you're going to see the transition when I do it with the brush. And I like to use like a really fluffy brush. This one's from MAC. It's the famous 217. It's amazing, this brush. So basically, I'm just going to apply the chocolate all over the eye, and I'm just going to blend right at the crease. And then I'm going to be using is this, the eyeliner, which is like a black eyeliner. This one's from Chanel. It's a very thick liner, so it's very easy to apply. So it's going to be like a more of a smoky, which I'm going to just really go very gently around the lash line and also under to make it very smoky, very sultry eyes. And then I'm going to continue with doing my brows, add mascara, and then I'll be back. finished with my eyes, and as you could see, you really want to keep blending so all the edges are nice and smooth and soft. That's really what it is. It's the workout of the blending that gives that whole look, and that, you know, it looks that sultry look, and also, but yet very classy. So now that this is done, I'm going to continue with a little bit of blush, and I'm going to keep my lips nude, so we can focus on the eyes. Of course, there's one thing. My lips at this moment are a little bit dry. So I'm going to be applying, I just got this. It's actually pretty good. This one's from Milani. I really liked it. And I'm just going to be adding, there we go. I really felt that they were really dry. So I'm adding this first. And then I'm going to do a little bit of, it has a little bit of a tint already. So that's pretty neat. And then I'm going to be adding a lipstick. This one is from YSL. It's a nude color, and then that's it. And then if you find that your skin is a little bit, because you're setting it with powder, if you find that it's a little bit, maybe looks a little bit dry, I don't find that it looks dry, but just to give it a little bit more of a sheen or a little bit of a glow, I'm probably going to reapply this fix on top of it just a little bit, just basically around the cheeks, and put a little bit of a highlighter, especially around the bone, the cheekbones, and that's it. So I'll be back. So here's the final look. A very sultry yet classy look. It's a smoky eye with a nude lip. And if you're unable to finish anything, they will be able to do the touch-ups at the show. Thank you for watching.